Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 10. This app has been blocked for your protection error. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand policies. Click System. Open Enable UA. Change value to 0. Close and exit Registry Editor. Restart your computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.